Welcome guys, in this tutorial, we will see the basics to build an app. You will commonly hear the word widget, have no idea what it means. Let's see. We will also cover what is stateful and stateless widget. Widgets are the building blocks of Flutter app. Each Flutter program is developed by widget trees. App bar widget, button widget, text widget, and so on. Many widgets were there, and we will see it one by one in the upcoming tutorials. And the main widgets are stateful and stateless widgets. Stateless widgets are those which cannot change their state, it is immutable. On the other hand, stateful widgets are those which that can be changed anytime, it is mutable. In most of the apps, there will be no need of changing the app bar, button and other stuffs, so they can be used in a stateless widgets. The things which we will be changing over time will be in a stateful widget. Now, let's go to Android Studio. Here, I have erased the demo code, let's start freshly. Now, we need to import the Dart package, so type import. And then just type material, we will get the suggestion below, use it by clicking enter. And, next we need a main function to run our code. Using void main, with open brackets, and the curly brackets, we are going to use the space between the curly braces. Run app is a boolean function, a type of function call. Before this, let's build a stateless widget. Simply type STLS. Let's call it as my app. The same should be entered in the run app widget. And put a semicolon at the end. Let's replace the container with the material app. In upcoming tutorial, we will see why we need a container and its uses. Inside the material app, use the home widget. For your better understanding, let's see what is a home widget by using the text widget. Inside the text widget, let's type code garage. Now, after running the code, you can see the text. Here, you can see that our app has been built and installed. So, the black screen appeared here is the home, and inside the home we have our text here. In the next tutorial we will see how to use app bar. Like and subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.